Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will introduce image annotation with Polygon in the context of the Zycon crowdsourcing platform using Label Studio. Polygon-based annotation is commonly used when we want to capture object shapes more precisely than bounding boxes, while still keeping the annotation process efficient and scalable for large datasets. Annotation with a polygon refers to labeling objects with an image by drawing a polygon made of connected vertices that outline the boundary of a target or region of the interest. Instead of labeling each pixel directly, the annotator places points along the object's edges to form a closed shape that approximates its geometry. This polygon defines the annotated region and can later be converted into a mask for training segmentation models. Polygon annotation provides a practical balance between accuracy and efficiency, offering more shape detail than bounding boxes while being safer and less labor-intensive than full pixel level masking. In the rest of the tutorial, I'll show you how to use our crowdsourcing Label Studio tool to implement this task. First, let's click on crowdsourcing and go into our Label Studio app. And then let's click Create a Project. And then let's name our project. And then let's click Label in Setup. Here we can see we have this semantic segmentation with polygons. Let's choose this model. And then let's create new labels. So we have cars and bikes in our dataset. Let's add the bike labeling. And then let's click Save. And then let's import our data. Okay, let's choose one of the images to perform this task. So as we can see here, below the task we have the label of car and label of bike. And on the right side we have the regions, which is gonna be available if we finish one of the polygon masks. Now let's click this car labeling and start our task. So we can just choose the edge of the car and click on it, and then connect the dots. If we have more dots, that means this labeling mask is more accurate. Now we have finished one of the car. Let's do another one. Alright, let's do the bike. Okay, let's click submit. Now we have our image labeled with the cars and bikes. And let's go back to our task. If we want to export this labeled dataset, we can just click export here like we used to and choose one of the format that we want to use. For example, CSV here. And then we can open it. And here also it's gonna show our labeled pixel information and also when it's created and the image names, etc. Now we have finished the tutorial of data annotation with a Polygon. Thanks for watching.